Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, you will learn how you can add a contact and Agiled application from Zoho Mails automatically. So guys, if you are tired of manually switching between different platforms to organize and manage your contacts, then this video is for you. Here I'm going to show you how the power of automation can integrate Zoho Mails with Agiled app so that you can seamlessly transfer the data of contacts from Zoho Mails to Agile automatically. And we do not need to have any coding skills for setting up these automations. So stay tuned till the end. Let's get started. To set up the automation, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an automation and integration tool. And this is the landing page of Pabbly. And I'm going to paste the link of this page in the description so that you can sign up for free from here and you will get free automation tasks every month. So guys, sign up right now from the given link, and after that sign in and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. From here, click on this create workflow button. Then here you can provide a suitable name to your workflow. So let me give a name here. So I have given this name here. Now I am clicking on create button and you can see the workflow page is loading up here. And on this page, guys, you will find the basic building blocks of our automation, which are the trigger and the action. So guys, trigger is that event which kickstarts the workflow, and the action is the automated response of the trigger. In our use case, guys, whenever we got a new mail with a specific kind of subject in Zoho Mails, then this workflow is going to trigger and create a contact in Agiled app. Okay, so here you can see trigger is saying when this happens, that means when the mail is going to be received, the action is going to make Pabbly Connect perform any action. So it is saying do this. All right, so here in choose app field, just search for Zoho Mail. Okay, here it is selected. Then select the trigger event as new email. Right, and it will give you this webhook URL. So with the help of this, we are going to create a connection with Zoho Mails, and then we are going to capture the response of this connection. So to create the connection, you need to follow these steps written here. Okay, so it is asking that you need to go to the sidebar, navigate to the settings, and from integrations, select developer space. Let us see. Here is the Zoho Mails inbox, and here in the top right corner we have this settings icon. Click on it. Under settings page, you will find the integrations option on the left hand side. From here, click on developer space. Under developer space, you need to select the outgoing webhooks option under the configuration section, and from here click on this add new configuration. Here it is asking for the name of this connection, so you can give any name like this. Here it is asking to provide a webhook URL, so here you have to paste this URL that you got from your workflow. So just copy it from here, paste it here under the webhook URL field. Then here it is asking select the entity on which you want to send the data. So we want to send the data on a new mail, so I am selecting mail option. Then it is asking to select a condition on which you want to send the data. So here you can provide a condition that here it is in the condition section. You can see you can select the from option, that means the address from which the emails are coming, the subject, the content, the priority, attachment type, anything. I'm selecting subject here, and here I'm selecting the condition as contains. Okay, so you can select does not contain, you can select begins with, ends with, subject is not. I'm selecting contains. Okay, and here in the value I'm entering need support. Okay, so this means that whenever we are going to receive a mail whose subject contains these two words, need support, okay, then only the data will be sent to the trigger. Okay, so here you can click on save button, and your configuration will be saved like this. Okay, Now guys, you can close this window, and here you can see in the workflow, as we have copied the webhook URL, it started showing waiting for the webhook connections response. This means now we can perform a test submission. Test submission means now I am going to open uh, any of my email inbox, and I am going to send a mail to this Zoho mail address. Okay, and I'm going to deliberately type the subject need support, okay, so that the data will be captured in the workflow. So guys, I'm sending this mail. You can see the subject is need support, and this is the mail. Hello dear, my printer is on fire, need help. The color of the fire is blue. Okay, and here I'm clicking on send, and this email will be delivered here in this Zoho mail inbox. Let me do this. And guys, here you can see in the Zoho mail inbox we have received a new email, and the subject is showing need support. Okay, and here you can see you can open the mail, and you can see hello dear, my printer is on fire. This is the same email that I have sent. Let's check in our workflow if we got the data captured of this mail, and here you can see we have received the data. And in the summary section you can see we have received the summary of the mail, and in the subject you can see we have received the subject. Right. Now guys, as you know, we have already applied the condition when we configured this trigger inside the Zoho mail, that when the subject is going to contain need support word, then only the data will be captured here. So we do not want to create contacts in Agile for every mail that are coming in. Okay, we want to create contacts only when our customers is sending mails for creating supports or any other condition you can select according to you. Okay, and when these mails receive with these subjects, I want to create the person as the contact in Agiled app, which is a business management app. So here in the action step, I'm going to connect with Agiled. Here it is selected, and I'm going to select the action event as create contact. Click on connect button. From here select add new connection, and here it is asking for the API key of Agile application. So you will get the key from the settings of Agile. Let me show you that. So guys, this is my Agile applications dashboard, and here you can find the settings. Here you can see we have the settings icon right here on the bottom left hand side. Click on it, and under settings page you need to select this API settings option, and here is the API key that we want. You can just copy this key and paste it here in this field like this, and then click on save, and you will be connected with Agile. Okay, right, so we are now connected, and here it's started asking for the first name, the last name, the email address, the phone number, and all other things to create a contact in Agile. So guys, I am going to map the data from the previous step. Okay, so to map the data from this previous step, you need to click here like this, and the previous trigger step will appear in the drop down, and when you click on it you can find the data right here. So from here, from the first name field, I am just mapping the sender label. In the sender label you will get the name of the sender, and here you will receive the full name, not the first name or the last name. So if you want to separate the first name and the last name, you can use a feature of Pabbly Connect which is called text formatter. So you can apply text formatter here after the trigger. Okay, let me show you. Just click here on this plus icon, and another action step will open up. Here you can search for text formatter, and the action event will be split text. Okay, split text, then click on connect button, and here it will ask which text you want to split. So here you can map the sender name label, and here it is asking for the separator. This means from where you want to split the text. So guys, I want to split this name from this space in between. This is the first name AVN, and this is the last name, and there is a space. So I'm going to select space as the separator, and to put the separator here, just copy this format written in the help text and paste it here like this. And here it is asking for selecting the segment index, that means which part of the name you want to fetch out or split out. So I want both first and the last name, so I'm selecting all option. Okay, then click on save and send test request button, and in the result label you will get two labels like this, the result 0 and result 1 label, and in these labels you can get the first name and last name separately. Now we can map it here. But now when you click here on these fields, you can see the previous steps are not appearing because we have added one more step after this step. So you need to create the workflow sequentially. So this means now you need to refresh your connection with Agiled. For that, just click on connected one more time. From here, keep this existing connection option selected and then click on save once again, and your connection will be refreshed here. Now when you click, you will find the previous steps like this, and from the second step, map the result 0 label in the first name field, and for the last name field use this result 1 label. For the email, use the first trigger step. So find the sender's email here like this. Let me show you. Here is the from address label. Just map this from label in the sender's to map the email here. Okay, right, here it is asking for some more details as well. So right now we do not have those details, so I'm leaving all these fields blank. These are not required fields. And now you can click on save and send test request button to check your connection with your Agiled app, and a new contact will be created here inside the contacts list. So right now we have two contacts here. Okay, let me click on save and send test request button here in the workflow, and let's see if we got a third contact added. So guys, we have received the response, and here it is showing that the email has already been taken. That means perhaps this email is already, this contact is already present in our Agiled app. Let's see. Okay, this is the email address we have. Let's see. Okay, so this same person is already present here, so that it's not duplicating the contacts. That's cool. It's really good. But in real time, guys, whenever you are going to receive a new email from a new user, this workflow is going to trigger and the labels will be updated here, and a new contact will be created in your Agiled app automatically. Okay, so you have to set up this automation only once. After that, it will work automatically. And I'm going to paste the link of this workflow in the description as well, so that you can clone this workflow in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.